Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2018 Honda Pilot. This Pilot is featured in our black metallic paint with chrome alloy rims, rear privacy tint, black leather interior seating, a DVD player, chrome front grille, as well as all-wheel drive. Now on to the interior of the Pilot. I'll walk you through a few of the driver's features, starting off with our door panel. We have our black soft touch leather-esque foam here. Then we have our chrome door handle. Down below that we have our close handle, rear and front window controls, rear window lock, and power lock and unlock. Below that, just down underneath, we have our gas filler cap release and our trunk release. Various storage sizes in the door panel. Then our speaker at the bottom there. Side of the seat, we have our power seat adjustment. Then off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our mirror controls, power mirror controls with our joystick. We also have our fuel economy, park assist, our windshield wipers, and then we also have the lane departure warning, our traction control, and our front collision alert. Here we have our gauge cluster with 2 screens, various buttons on the steering wheel, including our heated steering wheel tucked behind, controls for the radio, phone, cruise control, adaptive cruise, then our Honda logo in the middle. Steering wheel is wrapped in black leather. Infotainment screen displays our phone, info, audio, HondaLink, rear audio, and our smartphone connection. You can also see our audio, home, and volume controls on the left side. Hazards are tucked just down below that. And then our climate controls. You can see that lights up. We also have dual zone. Underneath we have our heated seats, 2 options for driver and passenger, and DVD for the rear player. 2 USB ports, 12-volt charging port, and textured rubber. Our gear select stalk, as well as our off-road, and our 2 cup holders. Inside of the center console area, a very deep storage compartment, finished in textured rubber. The front seats feature the black patent leather with light gray stitching and a lighter black in the middle. Above the rear view mirror, we have our sunroof and moonroof controls, dome lights and dome light settings, garage door openers, sunglass holder that doubles as a rear mirror, so you can see into the back, and our sunroof and moonroof overhead. Back onto the exterior, we can see our center caps, metallic paint, and rear privacy tint. We also have our lock and unlock button on the driver's door. Around to the back, we have our Pilot and Honda badging, power liftgate. You can see with all the seats fully reclined, we still have plenty of storage, and the straps to fold down the rear seats. Now onto the rear interior of the Pilot. We'll take a look at the rear passenger door card. And first and foremost, we can see tucked in to the side, we have our sunshade, which folds up. We also have our chrome door handle, padded leather armrest, our window controls, 2 cup holders, storage, and speaker. Back of the front seat, we have a leather magazine holder. And back of the center console area, we have our vents, heated seats, rear climate controls, and inputs for the DVD player, as well as a charging port. You can see said DVD player is overhead with a bunch of options. Can fold it down using the button just in front, and then just fold it down with our finger. The rear seats, we have a 60-40 split bench in the back. You can see here. We also have a fold down center seat, which features 2 cup holders. Seatbelt comes down from the roof for the center passenger, which can also fold up there for a bit more storage, or it's not storage, a bit more room in the middle area. Rear is a 50-50 split bench. You can see just there. Then we have our 2 cup holders, or I guess 3 cup holders on the side, as well as vents. And same goes for the opposite side. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2018 Honda Pilot. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos.